So recently I traded in the Flexi 1.0 for the Urban Kick, and so far I'm pretty happy I made the decision. Initially it was a toss-up between the boosted Mini X and the Urban Kick, but the main things that swayed me were Slick Revolution's fantastic customer service, the rough stuff wheels, and also the length flexibility of the Urban Kick. I thought I'd put together a short video of all the accessories I've bought for my board so far. Maybe it might help someone out. You may think that some of this stuff is a little bit OTT, but me personally, I like to protect my investment, keep the board looking fresh. Links are in the description. So for protection, I've got nose and tail guards by a Dutch company called Hellmet. I had these on my Flexi 1.0 and they worked perfect. After about 7-8 months, there was no damage on the board whatsoever. I know Slick Revolution have upgraded these boards with a small layer of polyurethane on the nose and tail, but for me personally, it weren't enough. Here we have Zefal skin armor on the top and sides of the board. I also put them on the trucks and the motor mounts. They're actually made for mountain bikes, but I just made my own templates from cardboard, cut them out with a Stanley knife. Cut these out. So these are my Shred lights. They work perfect in the dark. No complaints here. So this is how I store my board. It's called a deck hook. It's removable. You can attach it to a rucksack. In addition, I swapped out the bearings to some Bones Reds. I think it makes a massive difference to the performance. So in conclusion, the last honourable mention goes to the GoPro Grande extension pole. Originally I was in two minds due to the price of this thing, but I'm happy I went for it in the end. The construction is just absolutely solid. 97cm reach, perfect for capturing those unique shots.